In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy guide will walk you through each step so that you can access your store and begin managing it right away. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to www.shopify.com/login, or you can go directly to https www.shopify.com admin. These links will take you to the Shopify login page, which is the starting point for accessing your store's admin panel where all the magic happens. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account in the designated field. This should be the same email you used when you first signed up for Shopify, or the one you have been using to receive any Shopify-related communication. After inputting your email address, move on to the password field and type in your password. Make sure there are no typo errors here. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check to ensure everything is entered correctly before you proceed. If you have enhanced the security of your Shopify account using two-step authentication, this is the point where you'll need to enter an authentication code. This is a critical security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You might be using an app like Google Authenticator, or you could be receiving a code via SMS. Whatever your chosen method, simply enter the code where prompted. Once you've successfully passed the authentication step, the system will check if you have access to multiple Shopify stores. If you do, you'll see a list of store names displayed. This is particularly useful if you're managing more than one store under the same account. At this point, you just need to select the specific store you want to manage today. This selection will direct you to the admin panel for that store where you can update product listings, process orders, and much more. And there you have it. You've completed the login process and gained access to your Shopify store. From here, everything you need to manage your business is right at your fingertips. Remember, accessing your Shopify store is a routine task, but it's crucial to ensure your credentials are secure and you're using a protected network to avoid any security issues. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these simple steps, you can quickly access your Shopify store and take control of your online business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!